AI. This website will help you to generate a recipe based on the ingredient and the cuisine. To give a demo, here I have chosen cuisine, Indian. You can choose your preferred language also. There are full list of language. For the demo, let's choose first English. And then I choose the main food items. And let's generate a new recipe. Now your recipe has been generated with the amount of calorie per serving, with the name also, and it will give you the preparation time, cook time, and the AI certainty. Here it's a very straightforward thing, so it gives you 100% AI certainty. Now you can customize it also using the chat. Like I want to make it less spicy and more healthy. Definitely, it is modified the ingredients a little bit to make it more um, less spicy and more healthy. But AI certainty level has been reduced a little bit. And you can see in the customization, it will give you some suggestion also, like make it less spicy or add coconut milk or the change meat to paneer, this kind of thing. Now, suppose I want to try a different recipe. Like let's me choose a Thai and prawn, and I may like a starter item. So let me put a prawn cake. Let's see whether I can get a Thai prawn cake. I can get a Thai prawn cake. And now I'm just thinking that let's change the recipe, make it a fusion and put it on top of a pizza. It sounds exciting, right? Let's try it. Now see, AI certainty became 0%. And it's because they cannot make a pizza out of this. They give a clear cut instruction. So let's try out something different. Probably let's make a tandoori chicken. Let's see. Uh, We have a wonderful tandoori chicken recipe now, and which give you all the details. Now let's try to make a pizza with the tandoori chicken. Yeah, we get a tandoori chicken pizza, and it give you all the instruction of this one. Now try to break the system. Now AI certainty is 100%. You know already we make it 0%. And let me give you some ambiguous statement like make it vegan but add some meat. Let's see what happens. Now see, yeah, certainty becomes 0% because definitely you cannot make a vegan meal with a meat. Let's try out its other language functionalities. Like let's make a interesting combination. Let's make a Arabic food and in Chinese. You get the recipe. Unfortunately, I cannot read it, but yeah, that's the way you can use it. One thing just have to highlight that AI has its own boundaries and limitation. So it's all are very indicative. So definitely, if you have dietary restriction and something very specific, complex medical knowledge, don't blindly follow it and look at the AI certainty. So that's all. Thank you for watching.